pretty fast, but you see like a little flash. See that right there? There.
Like the 400 square
And
feet
you saw it.
sleeping.
Wow, look at all that
in a
traffic.
tiny bathroom. I mean, it's unbelievable.
It's bumper to bumper. Oh my God!
By the way, Congresswoman Ocasio-Cortez nominated for an
I said it's like bumper to bumper. Oh my
You can't
God!
even make this stuff up.
Oh my
There was a
God!
meltdown by crazy Nancy Pelosi, as the president calls her.
Look at all these.
Judy Woodruff.
Oh no, another
She's not a
gridlock.
conservative. During an interview, say you're a GOP advocate. You want to be an
The gridlock
advocate
is
for
right
them.
there.
Listen
That's
to
my
what the
arm.
facts are. She got
Hello.
ticked off. She's having like her own little Joe
Another
Biden
gridlock.
meltdown moment.
And the other point Republicans are
That's
making
the
is
other
they are now
U-Haul.
showing flexibility in money for state and local
See?
governments. This is
Where's
again
the
a
cow?
difference. Democrats want more money. Republicans want a lot less. They are saying they're willing to show flexibility, and they're also saying a lot of the money that was passed in the
Look, see,
spring,
it
Madam
says
Speaker,
powered by
has not
U-Haul.
even been spent
We're
yet.
in a U-Haul truck.
If you want to be an advocate for them, no, I want the I'm playing devil's advocate here. No, I'm going to ask you for your position.
Guys,
Unbelievable.
these people aren't going anywhere.
We're going to get into all the details
Look at
about
that.
the week.
It's
Now,
still
I've
going.
got some good news.
Oh,
I know it's
what?
hard to get good news these days, right? Job growth nationwide
kinda
roaring
going.
back in July, despite weeks of hype by the mob and the media.
He's
Democratic
mad.
Party and coronavirus resurgence.
But we're not focusing on that. We're focusing on this truck and car gridlock. Bro.
The economy has now added a better than expected 1.8 million jobs added last month. Bureau of Labor Statistics say today. Unemployment rate now down to 10.2.
Oh, look at all these cars. These cars aren't going anywhere.
763 million, well ahead of what Wall Street
Bro,
consensus forecast
so-
was. And by the way, the Gates cut the unemployment rate from 11.